Did you poot it?
Mm,
No? Yes, you did.
no.
Who did?
Emmy.
Avery.
No.
Avery, did you poot it?
Daddy.
Daddy poot it?
Yeah.
But Daddy's not home.
It's Pappy. Yeah.
Pappy tooted?
Yeah.
Pappy's downstairs. Who pooted?
I know.
I don't know
You
either.
did.
Who did, Liam?
You did. Not me.
Not me.
Uh-huh.
Liam, who pooted?
Not me.
Not you?
No.
Yes, you did.
No.
Who did?
Yeah.
Chad?
No. Me. Not me.
Is it you?
No. No. No.
Who was it, Liam?
What?
Who pooted?
Daddy.
He did? He's not home, though.
Ew, Daddy.
Ew, Daddy.
Ew, Daddy.
Who was it? Was it Brayden?
No.
Who?
Not Benny.
Not Brayden?
Baba.
Who was it?
Baba.
Who was it that pooted?
Not me. Chad did it.
Chad did it?
Yeah.
I think it was Cammy.
What?
Cammy.
No.
No?
Not Tommy.
Was it Autumn?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it was Autumn.
And you, Mommy.
Me.
Yeah.
I think it was Liam.
No,